In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Calendly Troubleshooter to find unavailable slots. Open Calendly in your browser. Once it loads, you should be on the Scheduling page, with the Event Types tab selected. This page shows your event types as separate cards, so you can choose the booking page you want to inspect. Find the card named 30-minute meeting. On that card, click the Open Live Page button. It is the square icon with an arrow pointing out of it. Calendly opens a new browser tab with your live scheduling page. This is the same page invitees see when they use your booking link, so the availability shown here matches what they would see. On the booking page, look near the lower right area and click Troubleshoot. This button appears at the bottom of the page. A troubleshooting panel opens over the booking page. On the left side, you will see a date picker, and on the right side, you will see the available and unavailable times for the selected date. The Troubleshoot button only appears when you are viewing your own booking page while logged in, so invitees will not see it. In the date picker, click the next weekday. Use the same day where the busy event was added to your connected Google Calendar. After you select the date, the panel updates and shows every time slot for that day. Any blocked slot can show a short uppercase code underneath it, which tells you why that specific time is unavailable. Now find the 10 a.m. row. Under that time, you should see the code CALENDAR. Click the 10 a.m. entry to expand the details. The panel explains that a busy event on your connected calendar is blocking that time, and it references the calendar event created during setup. This means the slot is not available because your connected calendar says you are busy then. To free it up, delete the event, change its status to free, or reschedule it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Stay in the Troubleshoot panel with the date picker still open. There are 3 other common codes you will run into often. Even means another Calendly event of this same type is already booked at that time. Overlap means a different Calendly event is booked at that time. Range means the date falls outside your booking window. To unblock a range issue, extend the date range in the event type's availability settings.